What's up, guys? Today's a very exciting day. We got the 2JZ E36 loaded in the trailer. We got Michael's G35 loaded up, and we're heading to a local track that is only about 45 minutes from my house, and it's actually only about 20 minutes from Michael's house. So we have a really cool opportunity to potentially host our own drift events at this track. It's a old go-kart oval track. So we've already done a little bit of testing there. I'll insert those clips here. But today we're gonna go do some tandems, see how those work on the track. It is a little narrow, so we need to make sure that it works for tandems, and get some good footage and then start advertising and marketing an event. So it's a lot of fun. I'm really excited about this opportunity, but there's a lot of work to do to plan everything. So we're gonna head to the track and we'll go from there. those were 6 laps. So like, you were wide enough. I would have preferred wider, but your right tire's done. Let's go flip them. All right, so we made it back from the track. All in all, it was a pretty successful test. First lap out, Michael was chasing me and his car would not run right at all. So he pulled out the laptop, started looking at some things. He's been having a intermittent misfire and we couldn't figure it out, but then all of a sudden it just started running fine. So we then proceeded to do about 20 laps. The tandems were really good, as I hoped they'd be. It is just an oval track, but the size of it is perfect. It flows really good and it's fast and it has a steep bank on the two corners. So it's a lot of fun, even though it's only 2 turns in a manji, but we got some good laps. We confirmed the track's big enough. It works well for tandems. So now we just have to plan everything else for the event. So it's going to be a 2-day event in October. But yeah, there's a ton of work to do to plan these events, but I'm really excited for it. I'm really happy to finally have a track close to home, because the closest track that we've ever had is 2 hours, which isn't super far, but it gets to be a lot. When you want to go to at least 5 events at that track every year, that's 4 hours of driving, which adds, a couple $100 in fuel, adds a lot of expense and makes it a lot harder to budget for a season of drifting. Whereas if we had a track that was super close, you hardly spend anything on fuel. You don't have to commit to the 2 days if you don't want to. You can just go for a few hours because it's only costing you $100 an entry. Hopefully, if everything goes well, we do have the potential of adding more asphalt in the future to make it more than just an oval. The track owner's super cool. He's open and willing to drifting, so that's really exciting, and hopefully we can prove to him that this is definitely something he wants to have at his track. But yeah, for now I'm gonna get the car unloaded. I'm gonna start going through video and start looking into everything else I need to get done before our event. Until then, or until the next video, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Things are getting really exciting, and we'll see you soon.